Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought the optical set from Amazon, and what all product I received here, I am going to unbox that today. And first thing here is optical illusion tops. Let us open it. So first thing here is something like stand, and we got something like this. Keep it aside. Next thing is plain mirror, these two, and they are holders. Now let us keep it aside. Next thing here is double concave mirror of focal length 10 cm. This is the double concave lens. Next thing here is mirror. This is the mirror. Next thing is double convex lens of focal length 15 cm. Next thing here is glass prism. This is the glass prism. Next thing here is the glass slab, and it is pretty heavy. This is the glass slab. Next thing is convex mirror. So this all things we get here, and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my videos. And if you have any doubts in your mind, then post them in the comment section below, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't visited my blog, then visit it, and the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.